Healthcare IT teams know the nightmare. HIPAA violations costing millions, chaotic breaches, and audits that feel more painful than a root canal. The HIPAA Compliance Pack slashes through the noise with NIST aligned risk assessment frameworks, OCR audit ready policy generators, HIPAA specific SOC 2 controls, and automated breach notification playbooks with regulatory language parsing. Compliance officers, IT directors, security analysts, this is your new best friend. No more spreadsheets, no more panic. Just clean, certified compliance that even your auditor will love. Here's what's inside the HIPAA Compliance Pack: risk assessment with fair modeling, policy development using high trust CSF crosswalks, audit preparation with GRC tool integrations, breach response workflows with automatic HHS reporting triggers, training modules featuring real OCR penalty case studies. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Compliance that's not just complete, but actually enjoyable. Installing the HIPAA Compliance Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add hipaa-compliance-pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly. All 6 modules, 150 plus policy templates, and AI-driven risk assessment engines. Your next Claude Code session autoloads the pack. Your AI assistant now speaks HIPAA fluently, and your audit trail starts healing itself. Compliance this good should probably require a prescription. But hey, we're not doctors, just your new favorite compliance lifeline.